I'm Divya Jain, working as a center head at Institute of Design Innovation. At IDI, we offer fashion designing and interior designing courses, which are complete career-oriented diplomas. Fashion designing and interior designing both are one-year diploma courses, which are complete career-oriented programs. Like they have different modules related to fashion and interior designing. Both are the complete different streams, but a necessity for everyone and the complete recession-proof careers. Like after doing a fashion designing course, a student can opt for multiple career options as a entrepreneur or as a freelance fashion designer, a fashion illustrator, or an textile designer, an accessory designer. And in the same way, after doing interior designing course, a student can opt for multiple career options, like he can work as a paint analyst or an interior designer, a freelance interior designer, or he can be a furniture designer and accessory designer. Like IDI's main motive is to convert all the students into designers there, so that they should have a full-fledged career ahead. Basic qualification required for doing these courses is a student has to be interpassed. See, the language or communication will not be a criteria over here, because being complete creative fields, language will not be a barrier. People with Telugu background or who have done their education from Telugu medium or from districts can also offer these courses, because what is main over here is a student's creativity. So language or education basic will be required, but English medium is not necessary. The market in both the fields is increasing day by day in Hyderabad. So like they are going to have multiple job opportunities ahead. The demand is very high, because these are the fields which are picking up a hype in Hyderabad now. Fashion, earlier people were not so keen about fashion in Hyderabad, but now everyone wants to be fashionable. Being fashionable is not just being in Western wear, even Indian wear can be too fashionable, and it is a necessity for everyone. So these industries are increasing in Hyderabad now. It was established in 2013. Fee structure for the one-year diploma course is 49,500, which is payable in installments. See, we can't compare ourselves with other institutes, because we will not be aware what they are doing or what not. But if you are asking about our quality of education that we are providing, we can guarantee that we do not compromise even 1% when it comes to our education's quality. Definitely, we are going to help our students with 100% placement assistance or internships as per the requirements we will be having from the clients when our students will be passing out.